Welcome back to Factful Finance. If you're tuning in today, you're probably wondering how to start building an emergency fund, especially if you're feeling a little broke right now. Well, you're not alone. In fact, nearly 60% of Americans don't have enough saved to cover a $1,000 emergency. That's right, emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected job loss can leave us scrambling. But today, we're going to change that. We're diving into how you can start building your emergency fund, even when you feel like you're starting from nothing. Before we get into the steps, quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Listing apps or products doesn't imply endorsement. Always consult a professional for personalized guidance. Now, let's get first of all, let's break down what an emergency fund is and why you need one. Think of it as your financial safety net. When life throws a curveball, like your car breaking down or an unexpected medical bill, you don't want to panic about how to pay for it. That's where your emergency fund comes in. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. But if you're just starting out, let's keep things simple and build a small cushion first. Step 1. Start small. I know it can be overwhelming when you're starting with little or no savings. But, as they say, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So don't focus on the final goal of $3,000, $5,000, or $10,000 right now. Your first goal is to save $500. That's manageable, right? Let's look at Noah, for example. He's a freelancer and some months, cash is tight. But last year, he committed to saving $100 a month. After 5 months, he had $500, enough for an emergency car repair. It wasn't the full 6 months of expenses he aimed for, but it gave him peace of mind when his engine started acting up. And that's the first win. Step 2. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save consistently is by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every pay period. Even if it's just $25 or $50, you won't miss it. And before you know it, that money will add up. Look at Ava. She set up an automatic $50 transfer from her paycheck each week. After a few months, she had $600 without even thinking about it. Step 3. Cut back on non-essentials. Now I know what you're thinking. Cut back? I'm already living paycheck to paycheck. But let's be real, there's always room for adjustment. Small changes can make a huge difference. Think about Emma, a college student who loved going out for lunch with friends every day. She swapped those lunches for home-packed meals, saving her $30 a week. That's $120 a month, plenty of room to funnel toward her emergency fund. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about reprioritizing your spending so that you can take care of what matters most. Step 4. Find ways to boost your income. When things are tight, finding additional streams of income can help speed up the process. Elijah, a teacher, took on a weekend tutoring gig, earning an extra $200 a month. That $200 went straight into his emergency fund, and in just 3 months, he had $600. It doesn't have to be a side hustle. Sometimes it's as simple as selling unused items online or offering a service you're good at. Step 5. Be patient and stay consistent. Building an emergency fund doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Benjamin, a software engineer, set a goal of saving $150 each month. By the end of the year, he had an $1,800 emergency fund and could finally breathe a little easier. As you work toward building your emergency fund, remember this. Your future self will thank you. Life will always throw unexpected challenges your way, but with a financial cushion in place, you'll be able to face them head-on without panic. Final thoughts. Start with small, manageable steps. Automate your savings, cut back where you can, and look for opportunities to earn extra money. Your emergency fund will grow, and you'll be better prepared for whatever life throws your way. Now, what's the first step you'll take toward building your emergency fund? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss out on more practical tips for your financial journey. We think you'll enjoy the video on screen next. It's packed with strategies to help you reach your financial goals faster. Thanks for watching Factful Finance, and we'll see you in the next one.